A user-oriented social networking service, SNAC. SNAC is a global blockchain-based social networking service that rewards its users. On SNAC, content creators and other users taking part in social media activities can receive rewards by clicking the like button, voting, or betting. Keep watching to learn how to use SNAC. Signing up. After completing the membership registration process, you will be given a master key, which is needed to change the password, and it will not be reissued when lost. So make sure to save it in multiple places. The master key is newly issued every time you change your password, and should be saved each time. Main feed. The main feed consists of a search box, popular post, popular hashtags. Main feed, like. When you find a post that you like in the main feed, then tap the like button. Click the like button to receive 10 SNAC per like, 10 times a day. Also, for each like you get for your post, you will receive 10 SNACs for an unlimited number of times. You will get to experience the joy of amassing SNACs just by tapping the like button. The best feed. The best feed presents popular content registered on the main feed that users can vote for and bet on. The betting schedule will be shown at the top of the screen. You can vote for and bet on up to 3 posts. And just by casting a vote, you can receive 100 SNAC as a reward. Use the SNACs you've received to bet on a post. If it makes it in the top 3, you'll receive a reward that's a whole lot more than what you've betted. Group Room. A group room is a place where you can chat and share feeds with the other people in the room. You could be your friends, colleagues, and so on. On SNAC, rewards are provided not only through people's activities in the main feed, but also the group rooms. When a post is liked in the group room feed, 100 SNACs will be given to the content creator. View more. You can edit your profile and check your coins, rewards history, referral code, master key, and more. On SNAC, anyone can easily become a content creator and receive rewards not only for the content you've created, but also for liking, voting for, and betting on other posts. It's the user-oriented social networking service, SNAC. Use SNAC and receive SNACs. A social media mainnet designed for high-traffic blockchain-based applications. Future Pia.